He is at it again. Good morning! It is such a nice day today. The sun came out. It's not freezing cold. We're getting ready to feed the animals. Jason is feeding Stainer, and then we're gonna feed these guys and see how many eggs we get today.
Everybody enjoying the bottle. They were.
They're hungry. They're ready for some food.
Today we're gonna feed them out here. They were cramped up in the barn yesterday, and so we want them out moving around, doing their thing, get some exercise in. Those guys make this nice chicken egg in Stainer's bed. Stainer, maybe that's what we could do. Instead of putting the hens on the eggs, we'll just put Stainer.
The chicks are doing great. Before I go ahead and feed them for the day, I'm going to clean out this bin because it's getting dirty and give them some fresh wood chips in there. So now I'm going to add these wood chips to the compost pile. Someone asked us, why do you feed chicks chicken eggs or duck eggs? Well, the answer is we were told by other homesteaders that it's really good for them and it's really beneficial. So we tried it and of course we researched it. But if you don't want to take our word for it, feel free to Google it. Now that the eggs have cooled down a little bit, let's go feed them to the chicks.
This is just a very cost-efficient way of feeding your chickens. So your big chickens already lay eggs, and sometimes you can't eat them all, so why not let the little dudes eat them and get raised up?
So now I'm going to add our compost into the compost pile. This is just the usual eggshells. There's some banana peels, coffee grounds, coffee filters, lots of paper, cardboard, and maybe there's a lime in there. Pretty much that's the gist of it. And I believe, no, that's coffee. This is Jared's compost. Probably just coffee grounds and eggshells. And old oatmeal. So let's get to it. Opinion, I think doing raised beds for the garden are going to be our best bet because when it rains, it shows no mercy. So I have a question for the ladies or guys, whatever. How would you guys feel about kind of like a side channel for the Crocker Homestead that's mostly based around health and beauty? So it could be anything from like my skincare routine, makeup, my diet and exercise, fashion on a budget. I don't get to dress up and do any of that really, for the Crocker Homestead, as you guys know. And I don't really think that's something that fits our channel. But if you guys are interested in stuff like that, just from my perspective, leave some comments down below and let me know. And if it is something you're interested in, then it's definitely something that I would love to start working on. Of course, it'll still be, incorporated in the homesteading lifestyle. So just let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see.
Guys, if you know us, you know we adopt a bunch of dogs, and I'm going to show you the absolute best, worst dog ever. Look. Razzie. On the couch. We put her here last night. All the other dogs go to the barn when it's raining. They like to be outside. She doesn't like to be away from us, so she was underneath the patio and we brought her in. She has literally been in this spot since like 7:30 last night and hasn't got off the couch, hasn't moved. And it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. She's held her potty until now, so I'm going to make her go outside and go to the bathroom and let her enjoy the day. Razzie, you got to go outside. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, come on. Let's go. Outside. Outside. Razzie, come on. This is why she's the best, worst dog ever. She doesn't want to get off the couch, but she's so lovable. She's just the best. Right, Razzie? Right, Razzie? Right, Razzie? Mm-hmm. Alright, guys. We are in the bathroom now, and I am going to try to finish putting up the trim work and all that and try to finish this bathroom. Maybe not painting, but get all the trim work done and start the painting. Try to finish the painting in the bedroom, and hopefully we can get that done. But yesterday, it didn't allow us to work at all because all our tools were wet, as you saw. And yes, it's not good for our tools. They were unplugged, so that's always good. And unfortunately, we've had our tools in the rain before, but they are champs. They still work for the most part. I know one of them, it was a belt sander yesterday that was in the rain and people probably freaking out it didn't work anyways. And so, probably because it got rained on before. But today, we're going to try to finish this and knock it out, and then let's just see what else comes up today. I have no clue. We'll figure that out as we go. This is one of the better exercises of building houses. Up and down the stairs. Gotta lose that, people. Oh no.
Is it because of the fake brick?
Yeah. I'll get it to work. Safety first. Dang it. You know what they say? Measure twice, cut once.
Not today.
Not today. Second try. Alright, turn this around. Thing's gonna work.
Boom.
Let's see. Alright guys, while I'm up here on my ladder, my high ladder, and I'm looking down on you guys, I wanted to say something real quick. Yesterday, we posted, "Thanks Trump for ruining our day." And we still had a few comments saying, kind of little political battle, and that's not what we're going for. We had someone comment saying, "Oh, clickbait because your channel's not good enough to get views on their own." That's not what we were doing. We just thought it was funny. It's President's Day, and everyone blames Trump for everything. Whether you like him or not, we don't care. But no political talk, guys. It was just a funny skit we were doing. So do not get into politics on our page or we will block you. We don't care how long you've been on the channel. This is not the time or place for it. We hate when people use their platforms or whatever, even though we barely have one, to shove agendas down your throat. We don't care if you're black, white, yellow, purple, red, green. We don't care. We don't care if you believe in God, don't believe in God, believe in goats or ducks. I don't care what you believe in. I don't care who you like for president. I don't care. So don't bring it to our channel. It was just a funny title, a funny thing we did. We were not talking politics. We were just making fun of President's Day. So I'm going to get off my ladder now and finish building. You can quit filming. 23 and a quarter. Alright, so I know that we normally don't talk about this type of stuff in our vlog, but we keep this very, very real with you guys. And I wasn't going to say it, but I was talking to Jaylena and we just want to keep it real. So yesterday, as usual, I was looking through my bank account and paying bills and all that. And due to some unforeseen circumstances, my account was negative $50.02. I freaked out. First thought was, oh my gosh, this should not be happening right now. We're poor, but we're not that poor. Until the situation could get resolved, I texted Jared, he was at work, and I asked him if he can send $50 over to my bank account. I had like $1 something in savings or something like that from my Keep the Change. Basically what happened was I had 5 cents in my savings and 2 cents in my normal account. I told Jaylena, because we share an account, I said, hey, if someone comments something crazy, don't give them your 2 cents on it. And she was like, why? And I was like, because that's literally all the money we have is 2 cents in our bank account right now. And she was like, what are you talking about? I just told her, I said, you know what? We've dealt with worse. Things happen, and we've always had faith in each other and, you know, what we believe in and stuff like that. And basically just said, look, we've pulled through on other instances and situations. Let's not stress about this. Let's just believe and have faith that it's going to take care of itself. And let's just move forward with the day and do what we need to do. The day went on, and out of nowhere, months and months and months later, we did a music video for someone a while back, and he owed me some money. He was behind on the payment. After months and months and months, out of nowhere, I get a Venmo for money, and it got us out of the situation that we were in within a couple of hours of it happening, and us just having faith that it'd get taken care of. My whole story, basically, what I'm trying to tell you is have faith in something. If you're doing this homesteading life, you have to have faith in something, because you're going to start with nothing. You're going to hit rock bottom, and most people stop when they hit rock bottom. They don't try to climb back up. They hit rock bottom and they just figured, this is the worst as it's going to get. I'm done. When you should think, this is the worst it's going to get. It can't get worse. Let's go up from here. It's only going to go up from here. So that's all I want to say was have faith in anything and everything you do, because if you don't have faith in this lifestyle, you're not going to make it. You gotta have faith in yourself. You gotta have faith in your animals. You gotta have faith that you're going to grow stuff. I don't care what you believe in, just have faith, because without it, you're nothing. And I just wanted to share that story with you guys, because we keep this as real as possible, and that's proven to you guys that we struggle. We do what we can to build our house, to build our land up, to build our animals up, and everything we do. So I just figured we'd keep it real and just have faith. Whatever you do, have faith. Alright guys, I know that you have been telling me over and over and over to get new boots. So I'm going to show you something real quick. Still the old boots. I didn't buy new ones yet because I think that they're still okay. These holes aren't that bad. I mean, they kind of are. I can't wear them outside today because it rained so much, and I couldn't wear them yesterday because it rained so much. And they just get full of water. So I think this would be hilarious is I found a hunting clothing company on Instagram, and I'm going to show you guys that as I'm talking about it. I think it'd be hilarious if you guys went to their page, clicked on that photo and commented and tagged the Crocker Homestead and said, you guys need to sponsor Jason from the Crocker Homestead and get new boots. This guy needs new boots. If we just flood their comments, they have like 500 followers, I think, on there. So if we flood their comments, they have no comments on this picture yet. If we flood the comments with just one after another of, sponsor Jason, give him a new boots, he needs new boots, I bet you they'll send us some boots. I don't know if it'll work or not, but it's worth a try. So I thought it'd be funny. It popped in my head. I had already wrote them a message asking if they'd like to sponsor us, but they haven't read it yet. So why not get their attention with a bunch of comments? We'll leave the link down below in the description so you can go check it out. And again, I'll just show you again right now. It's Heart Hunting _official here. This is their page. And then scroll down and it's right here. Look, no comments. Let's blow them up. So we didn't show you the bathroom. I was going to. Jaylena talked me out of it. We're going to wait and show you guys the final video of the bathroom and bedroom when it's finished. So we're not going to show you. You're going to see what it was until where it's finished. So we're not going to show you that, but it will come soon. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the notification bell. A lot of you have started doing a thing which blows my mind. Commenting first. I'm the first to watch it, which is cool that you guys are doing that and excited. I'm Mike Tyson. That you're excited to watch our videos. We're excited. We wait, even when we're at our parents' house and we're down there. We wait for our videos to upload so we could watch them to see if we could beat you guys. But update on our logo. We got a rough drawing and it's freaking amazing. You guys are gonna love it. I wish we could show you, but he is gonna start coloring and all that. So we're super excited about that. We want to give a special shout out to Tanya Marie for getting on Patreon. Thank you so much. You did it last night after we did our video yesterday, shout out. So we just want to thank you so much for doing that. So please guys, as always, subscribe, notification button, all the stuff down in the description. Social medias, Patreon, all that. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. And I'm going to leave you guys with this. If you don't start today, you're a day late. Don't forget that. Go live your dream. Do what you want to do. It doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. Don't hold yourself back. If you don't start today, you're already a day late.